Welcome to the TreeRing time demo, closing a pay period and exporting payroll. There are a number of important processes to consider at the end of a pay period. The particular process will differ for every company and depend on a number of factors. Here are some common procedures followed at the end of a pay period. Complete the time edits and finalize the employee timesheets. This is done under Edits, Time Management, Timesheet. This may involve supervisors, employees, or just the administrator. Be sure that all worked hours are accounted for correctly. Run time and labor reports. This may range from running a standard timesheet to hand to an employee or involve department and labor tracking summary and detailed reports. Perform the employee certification and or supervisor and manager sign-off functions. These are optional procedures but are especially useful in large companies. You can see the supervisor sign-off in the timesheet when you click Show Approvals. This is the current pay period. We're not closing it. If we go to the previous pay period, you can see the sign-off button. You can also see it under Edits, Approvals. You will need to run the payroll period and routine procedure. And finally, you may need to perform the payroll export. When all labor data and worked hours are correct and signed off, you export the data to payroll to produce paychecks. Let's take a look at how to run the payroll period and routine. Go to Payroll Routines, Pay Period End. The pay period end form displays. For the pay period that you wish to close, click the link Close. We'll close the test. Click OK to close the pay period. It closes and is removed from the menu. To export to payroll, TreeRing Time Payroll Export allows for the automated electronic transfer of compiled data to another software application for further processing, HR analysis, and paycheck separation. Most likely, exports specific to your company's requirements have been implemented in your TreeRing Time Enterprise installation. But you can see where the exports are done here on Payroll Routines Exports. You can see the different reports that can be run. And to run a report, for example, click Run Export, select the name, select the pay period state, let's go with closed, and select a particular pay period. Click Run the Export, and it is saved to your local drive. We hope you found this demonstration useful for the pay period end routine and exporting to payroll. Please check out the TreeRing channel for other videos.